Hey 124th fans, welcome back to my channel. The Empire Sky Studio has finally shipped out their first product, the Fortune Wolf. Now this 124th scale plastic model kit is highly articulated, it is one of its kind, it has a LED chest. On top of that, you can convert it to a cyber wolf. It also comes with a display base which you can customize, and guys, for about $15 it actually comes with two types of armors, the clear red and green or solid blue. As for the size comparison, it is actually slightly taller than a Hexagear Governor and the number 57 Armor Puppet. And speaking of Armor Puppet, let's take a look at this saber-tooth looking bike. Now I believe that it shares the same mechanics as the Shadow Wolf. It is a convertible plastic model kit. You can have it as a bike or a beast, and it seems like we are getting some extra parts like the armors, which you can attach it to the core bodies, a couple of helmets, one with the horn and one without the horn. And guys, I am feeling a very Hexagear vibe over here, so let's see how they're gonna take it to the next level. In case you didn't know, we're actually getting an updated core body. This is the 2.0, and so far this is the only image that we have seen. Let me know what you guys think. Now let's talk about Kodobukiya Hexagear. Guys, bad news. They're gonna be increasing their price. Not too sure if it's only for the remanufactured parts or for everything from now on, but hey, just a heads up. When it comes to the Hexagear Governors, there is a love-hate relationship because we do not like to paint the face. So they have actually released the decal, and you can get this for about $10-15 They are out. Kodobukiya has also released a blasting effect. This is 3mm. You can attach it to the Rook. Here is the first leak of what the Rook will look like. There's gonna be more information coming out soon. So a few months back, Hexagear has decided to release a Forklift, and the fans can actually vote for the colors. Apparently, many people like the orange Forklift, and that's what we're gonna be getting. But we're also gonna be getting a dark blue Forklift. This is actually very similar to the bulk arm Alpha, and of course it is functional. You can move it, you can take it out, you can customize it. It looks awesome. We're also gonna be getting a couple of the engineers, and hey, you always need some extra hands, so we get the bot, the droid. Hexagear is also running a few campaigns for June, so here's a couple of pictures of the acrylic stands that they have rolled out. And as usual, if you're living outside of Japan, it's probably gonna be a hard thing to get. Here's to more pictures. This is the alternative master float. Instead of the boring dark gray color, it seems like we are getting ourselves a jungle type green wasp. What do you guys think? Do you like this green? Very interesting choice of colors. June is an exciting month. We're gonna be getting the Lord of Zotax, the Pawn X1, and the Judge Hit. We've got more pictures to show you guys. this is how the boxes look like. Here is the X one. We are gonna get a bunch of new weapons. Loving the knight looking, badass looking vibe. And this guy right here, the judge hit, it actually comes with 2 sets of shoulder armors. Loving the huge axe. And not only that, you can actually remove the pelvic guard and change it to a shield. How convenient. If you don't like the bucket looking head, you can change it to the one that looks like beyond cool. And guys, let's end this video on a high note. We're gonna congratulate 2 winners from South Korea, Captain Yoon and Jul Hack, in winning the Kit Bash competition. And guys, let's give them a hand. Clap emojis, and clap emojis. Until next time, people, I'm gonna bring to you more news, more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. Keep subscribing. Peace out, fellas.